Okay, now tell me in this case, it gains one electron. You can write like this. If it gains one electron in outermost shell, it will get the octet configuration. Understanding? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, and if it gains, it becomes.
If it gains one electron only, it will get the octet configuration, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
If
Yes,
it
sir.
loses, now we have to lose complete 7 electrons. Instead of losing complete 7 electrons, it has to gain 1 electron simple. So only it will automatically fulfill the octet.
Sir, like, can I tell an easy method to remember this? 1 to 4 it will lose, and 4 to 8 it will
It
gain.
will gain. That's good. That's what you have written. Formulas, different formulas, right?
Yeah, I follow that. So that's what they taught me in the school, an easy method.
Okay. Clear now? Up to 1 to 4 electrons, it will lose. 4 to 8 electrons, it will gain. But carbon having 4, right? Exactly. So it can gain or it can lose. Both chances will be there because exactly it is 4. Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
Here it will lose 3 electrons to fulfill its octet configuration. Okay.
Sir, and metals are the one who always lose the electrons, and non-metals are the ones who always gain them.
Gain the electrons. Because metals will be there on the left side of the periodic table, right? So they are electropositive in nature. That's why they lose the electrons. Non-metals will be there on the right side of the periodic table. And right at the periodic table only, the noble gases will be there. So to get the stability of the noble gases only, they will gain the electrons.
Sir.
Okay. 1 minute, please. I'll open the periodic table chart. From that, I'll explain you what is valency and all. One minute. Can I see the chart now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
No?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Yeah, 1 minute, please. Sorry, there is some error is there. If you take the noble gases, they are right side of the periodic table, right? So generally non-metals will be there on the right side of the periodic table only. So they will lose the electrons. Sorry, they will gain the electrons and fulfill the octet configuration. In the same way, metals will be there on the left side of the periodic table. So they will lose the electrons to fulfill the octet configuration. Okay, that screen has stuck. Some problem is there. So any doubts in today's class? Valence electron charge.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, your homework is today. Same tabular column is there, right? 1 to 20 elements tabular column, which I have given for you in the starting.
Yes, sir.
In that only I have given one column for the valency. Yes or no?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So fill up that complete valency table from 1 to 20. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'll ask you in the next class. What are those?
Okay, sir.
So could you repeat the homework?
Find out the valency of 1 to 20 elements.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. Sir, can you share this PDF in group?
Yeah, I will share it today. Okay. So you can make the
Yes, sir.
notes also on that. I'll share it today.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
And I will share you some chart also. So from there you have to remember the charts also. Okay. The charge on the cations and the anions.
Sir, what are cations?
Cations means if positive
It's
charge is
a-
there, na cations.
Plus charge.
That
It lose-
negative charge, they are called anion.
Anions. Okay, that we will discuss in the next class. I will explain it. What is ion? What is a cation? Anion, radicals, and all. Okay. Any doubts now?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.